How to move or rearrange items in the control center. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Next, you tap on the Add button. This will allow you to go into an edit mode. Now, to rearrange items in the control center, simply touch and hold on one of the items. And once you see the item becomes enlarged, then you can drag it around the screen. So here I can drag it around. Once you place the icon at a specific location, all the other items automatically rearrange to accommodate your new placement. And that's it. So that is how you can rearrange icon on your in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. And that's it. You can also move it to the next screen page as well. So here I will go into an edit mode, then touch and hold and then drag it, and then you can drag it to the next screen page as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.